Hi everyone, and welcome to this issue of Social Housing Problem Solving Guide. If you or your family live in social housing, you may face various problems such as disputes between neighbors, maintenance and repairs of the property and so on. In this video, we will teach you how to deal with these problems, and introduce relevant laws and procedures so that you can better understand your rights and solve problems effectively. First, let's talk about the handling of social housing disputes. When you encounter disputes, first of all, keep calm and don't rush to get angry or take action. We suggest that you try to communicate with the other party first, listen to the other party's opinions and ideas, and express your own views and ideas. If agreement cannot be reached, you may consider seeking ways to coordinate and mediate. Organizations such as community neighborhood committees and community service centers provide such services, and they can help you reach an agreement with the other party. If communication and coordination cannot solve the problem, you may consider complaining to the relevant department of the local government. For example, you can complain to the Housing Management Agency or the Housing Construction Department, and they will help you investigate the problem and take corresponding measures to solve the problem. If your rights have been damaged, you can also consider filing a lawsuit in court. Next, let's talk about social housing maintenance and repairs. The responsibility for the maintenance and repair of social housing is the responsibility of the owner, which means that the Housing Construction Department or the Housing Management Agency are not responsible. When you encounter maintenance and repair problems, you need to check the contract and terms first to determine the responsibility. If it's the owner's responsibility, you can tell the law and procedure are very important when dealing with social housing. First, determine your rights and responsibilities. Often, tenants of social housing have rights such as living in a safe and healthy environment. If you notice a problem with your home, such as a water leak or electrical problem, you can ask your landlord to make repairs and maintenance. If you have a dispute with your landlord, you can seek legal help. For example, you can hire a lawyer to help you write a formal letter expressing your concerns and requests to the landlord. You can also seek help from your local rental board or landlord association. These organizations can advise you on relevant legal and procedural matters and help you resolve issues. The following is a real case that can help you better understand how to deal with social housing issues. A tenant named Xiao Zhang discovered a water leak in his social housing that caused his room to flood. He made repeated requests to the landlord for repairs, but the landlord did not take action. Finally, Xiao Zhang decided to seek help from the local rental committee. The tenancy council provided Zhang with legal advice and helped him write a formal letter asking the landlord to make repairs. Eventually, the landlord carried out the necessary repairs and maintenance, and Zhang's problem was resolved. In conclusion, it is very important to understand the relevant laws and procedures when dealing with social housing issues. If you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to ask for help. Organizations such as rental boards and landlord associations can provide support and advice to help you resolve your issues.